step-by-step instructions to evacuate waterproof mascara splendidly. Is it accurate to say that you are somebody who adores fluttery, voluminous lashes and swears by waterproof mascara? In the event that, yes, you know it's all silly buffoonery till you really need to evacuate it by the day's end, since waterproof mascara is famously willful, it's a test as evacuating it the wrong way will have a negative effect on your lashes as well as on the skin around your eyes. Likewise, what do you do when you come up short on cosmetics remover amidst the night? Lay down with hints of it? That is a gigantic no. We have a couple of cunning hacks for you to evacuate waterproof mascara easily and without making strain your valuable lashes. Read on to discover how you can consolidate some of these techniques to evacuate your mascara impeccably. The most effective method to expel waterproof mascara without harming your lashes and blinding yourself. Eye cosmetics remover. Micellar water, coconut oil, olive oil or almond oil, child cleanser, consistent moisturizer or cool cream. 1. Expulsion of waterproof mascara with eye cosmetics remover, the go-to method. This current one's an easy decision. In case you're orderly and have your coexistence, you may never come up short on your eye cosmetics remover since you forget to get some already. This tip is for the mascara amateurs. So tune in up. Utilizing an eye cosmetics remover to dispose of that item by the day's end is maybe the best activity. What we need. An eye cosmetics remover. We suggest attempting the Clarins Moment Eye Cosmetics Remover or the Neutrogena Sans Oil Eye Cosmetics Remover. Cotton cushions. Well-ordered process. Take a cotton cushion and pour some of your eye cosmetics remover onto it. Close your eyelids and rest the cotton cushion on the highest point of your lashes for a couple of moments. Tenderly wipe the cotton cushion downwards, towards your lash tips. Rehash this procedure until the point that all hints of the mascara has been expelled. Master tip. Utilize an ophthalmologically tried, hypoallergenic eye cosmetics remover of high caliber. This is extremely fundamental as your eyes are the most delicate organ you have. Evacuation of waterproof mascara without eye cosmetics remover. 2. Micellar water, the ponder item that is unadulterated enchantment. On the off chance that you have dry and delicate skin, micellar water is your answer. It's a mind-blowing item to use on the fragile eye territory and on your lashes on the off chance that you need to be as delicate as could be allowed. Along these lines, try to get the equation of your waterproof mascara to separate. And for this, oil-implanted micellar water works wonders. What we need. Oil-mixed micellar water. We recommend the Garnier Skin Dynamic Micellar Oil-Implanted Purging Water. Cotton cushions. The most effective method to expel. Utilize a cotton cushion to apply the micellar water. Close your eyelids and rest the cotton cushion over your lashes for around 10 seconds. Tenderly wipe down, towards the lash tips. Rehash this procedure utilizing crisp cushions until the point that all the item has been completely expelled. Master tip. It's constantly prescribed to utilize hypoallergenic items that are of high caliber. Ensure you go in for surely understood brands while picking your micellar water. 3. Coconut oil, olive oil or almond oil, the every single characteristic procedure you should totally attempt. Utilizing coconut oil, almond oil or olive oil to dispose of your famously stiff-necked mascara is one of the most secure and best methods for mascara evacuation. There's no need of rubbing or pulling at your sensitive eye region. The best part is these oils are rich in supplements and will energize the development of dull and solid eyelashes. What we need. icy squeezed virgin coconut oil or olive oil. Cotton cushions. Step-by-step instructions to expel. Touch some oil on a cotton cushion. Place this cushion on your eyelid and let it rest for a couple of moments. Delicately wipe down towards your lash tips without rubbing or pulling. Rehash this procedure until the point that the mascara recipe breaks and there are no hints of it cleared out on your lashes. You can utilize a wet wipe to dispose of the deposit of the oil that is left on your eye. Master tip. It's best to utilize only a smidgen of oil, as this strategy is a little chaotic and along these lines, you can keep any of it getting into your eye. Notwithstanding, on the off chance that it happens to get into your eye, wash it off with water. 4. Infant cleanser, the no-tear recipe. On the off chance that you come up short on choices and happen to have child cleanser in your restroom bureau, it can be a viable method for evacuating waterproof mascara. The no-tear equations are moderately protected to utilize, and they are likewise aroma-free and hypoallergenic. What we need: child cleanser, cotton balls, wet wipes or cotton cushions. The most effective method to evacuate. Utilize a little measure of child cleanser. Utilizing a clammy cotton ball, apply it onto your lashes. Hold the cotton cushion and wipe it downwards towards the tips of your lashes. Utilize a wet wipe or a cotton cushion to wipe away the mascara and child cleanser and guarantee there's no buildup of cleanser abandoned. Master tip. Never utilize standard cleanser to do this, as it will disturb your eyes and cause significant stinging. 5. Customary salve or cool cream. You can likewise utilize cool cream or a face lotion in the event that you're out of different alternatives to evacuate your waterproof mascara, despite the fact that this will require some additional exertion. Chili cream additionally works for expelling a whole face of cosmetics. What we need: cool cream or saturating moisturizer. Warm washcloth. The most effective method to expel. After you wash your face with your consistent chemical, pat it dry and apply your cool cream. Painstakingly rub the cream onto your lashes, previously wiping them clean with a warm washcloth. Master tip. Try not to utilize solid, synthetic-based subs close to your eye territory, as this may cause a contamination. It's likewise prudent to not utilize oil jam to evacuate your eye cosmetics, as petrochemicals are bad for your skin, particularly the sensitive eye zone. It can cause millions zits. How to evacuate waterproof mascara stains on apparel. On the off chance that you happen to coincidentally get a swipe of your waterproof mascara on your garments, touch a touch of pine sol or less oil on the spot, utilizing a cotton ball or a perfect material. You can likewise utilize dish cleanser to evacuate the stain. We concur that waterproof mascara can be unimaginably irritating to take off, as it's intended to be impervious to water. Be that as it may, a little exertion and these traps can be fused into your magnificence routine to rapidly and effectively evacuate your waterproof mascara without your lashes getting to be weak and tumbling off. Do you have a go-to method to expel your waterproof mascara? On the off chance that yes, share your strategy to get each and every piece off of that mascara in the remarks segment beneath.